Hello beginners! Bienvenidos a su curso de inglés with Teacher Luis. En el día de hoy te voy a dar algunos ejemplos de mi rutina diaria y también en tercera persona. So, let's get started! Hey, as you already know, hoy veremos algunos ejemplos de my daily routine. Pero antes de comenzar, quiero decirte que esta lección está enfocada en aprender y pronunciar los ejemplos. Así que, si tienes dudas, me las puedes dejar en los comentarios o buscar nuestra lección que trata del presente simple. Aquí te la estoy presentando. Let's continue. Ahora sí, my daily routine. Y te recuerdo que vamos a utilizar el presente simple para hablar acerca de las cosas que hacemos todos los días. Let's see the first example. I wake up at 6 a.m. Let's repeat it. I wake up at 6 a.m. Este ejemplo está compuesto por un pronombre que es I, el verbo wake up y el complemento at 6 a.m. Let's continue. I often get up at 6:10 a.m. Let's repeat it. I often get up at 6:10 a.m. Aquí tenemos un ejemplo muy parecido al anterior, pero le agregué un adverbio que es often. Excellent. Next one. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Let's repeat it. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I take a shower at 6:20 a.m. I take a shower at 6:20 a.m. I get dressed at 6:40 a.m. I get dressed at 6:40 a.m. I read a book every 5 weeks. Let's repeat it. I read a book every 5 weeks. I go to school at 7 a.m. I go to school at 7 a.m. I always drink coffee in the morning. Let's repeat it. I always drink coffee in the morning. I eat my lunch at 1 p.m. I eat my lunch at 1 p.m. I seldom ride a bike in the afternoon. I seldom ride a bike in the afternoon. I listen to music every day. Let's repeat it. I listen to music every day. I never do my homework at home. I never do my homework at home. I sometimes go to bed at 11 p.m. I sometimes go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to the beach every month. I go to the beach every month. I usually dance on the weekends. I usually dance on the weekends. I don't drink soda. Let's repeat it. I don't drink soda. I sometimes eat pizza on Sundays. I sometimes eat pizza on Sundays. I use my cell phone at night. I use my cell phone at night. I go shopping every fortnight. I go shopping every fortnight. Ahora vamos a ver algunos ejemplos, pero en tercera persona. She drinks coffee in the morning. Let's repeat it. She drinks coffee in the morning. She goes shopping sometimes. She goes shopping sometimes. She rides a bike 4 times a month. She rides a bike 4 times a month. Excelente. Es tu turno de dejar en los comentarios tu rutina. Además, no te olvides de completar la prueba que está en la descripción. Si te ha gustado esta lección, compártela con tus amistades que están aprendiendo inglés. Thank you for watching. Bye.